In this video, I want to share with you guys a simple business model that will make you 2 million naira in the next 60 days. This guide I'm going to share with you is the same process I used that earned me over 3 million naira in less than 30 days. And my aim here with this video is to expose the same secret I have used, the step-by-step process, and the exact guide that I actually used to achieve this result, so that you can also replicate this particular process and get similar results by yourself. Now, this particular business model is called retail arbitrage, and this is exactly where you are profiting from the difference in the price of a commodity that you are selling. So for example, you buy a particular product, or you have a product that is costing you about 5,000 naira, and you sell that product to somebody else for 10,000 naira, and you have a profit of 5,000 naira. That is basically what arbitrage is. Now, you must have heard about this particular business model time and time again, but then I'm sharing it now because we're about to enter a new season, and this season might actually help you to earn a lot of profits from this particular business model. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Here I share with you guys those tips and tricks and even strategies that would help you to start up and scale your own online business. And if you're new to this channel, consider hitting the thumbs up button if you like this video, subscribe, and also make sure to smash on the bell icon so that you do not miss any of my subsequent videos. And there is one simple secret to this particular business model that makes it widely profitable for anybody doing it. And this is exactly what we call time. Right? Time and season is very important in this particular space. You need to understand when people are having a particular problem and what product is going to solve that immediate problem that they have or that immediate itch, and figure out how to source this product and at the same time how to deliver it to them. Now, this is exactly why I'm making this video right now, because we are about entering what we call the rainy season. And because we're entering the rainy season, people are going to have one common problem, and that is code. Now, how can we leverage on the problem that most people are going to be having and use it to make a lot of profits for ourselves? Now, the very first thing I'm actually going to do right now is to go over to my laptop screen, and I'm just going to do a quick search for rainy season in Nigeria. Now, once I make this search, I have a couple of options here, and I can just decide to open up all of this link. I'm looking out for products that have been trending during this season in the past years. I know that a couple of products are trending, but then you also need to understand what we call saturation. You do not want to pick up products that are already saturated. For example, you want to pick up a rainy coat or an umbrella. These products are everywhere. And I can tell you that if you jump or delve into a product like this one, you're going to make almost zero profit for yourself. Okay? So I'm just going to go through a list. Here we're just doing a couple of research, and I'm just looking through this product website, just trying to find out if I'm going to see anything that is worth selling during this period. And here I have this list here. These are a couple of products from AliExpress, so I'm just going to go through with all of them. And I think I'm seeing something here. This is coffee thermal cup. Right, this is a thermal cup here, and this already sparks an idea in my head. People are going to be feeling very cold, and there is an opportunity if you're able to create or even give them access to several cups, mugs, or flasks that can help preserve, the water that they have. Right, and this can actually be focused at people who have 9-to-5 jobs, because I have a 9-to-5 job and I might not be able to boil water for my tea during the cold weather or when I'm having a cold day. I would rather have this water boiled and put it in a flask or in a cup that I know that would stay all through the day for me. Okay? Now, this is exactly where it now gets more beautiful, because we are not going to buy this product. We don't need this product for ourselves. No, we are just going to find people that are already selling this product and then sell it better. That's all. Okay. So I'm just going to go over to this website called gg.com, and I'm going to look up for coffee thermal cup. And once I see coffee thermal cup here, I begin to look out for options that would suits what I want to sell here. Okay, now you can see this is the ceramic coffee cup with an automatic heating pad. Okay, I think this is actually one of those products that would be an alternative to having your kettle or having your flask or whatever it is, right? It's more of like, an upgrade to this space. So looking down, I can see Travels Flask, thermal hot insulated. Let me pick these two products. Okay, I pick up these two products, and I have here, this is the coffee cup with automatic heating pad. Now, how does this work basically? And it says here that what it does is helps you to heat up the liquid inside of the cup. Okay, so you can see here it has a heating plate, and I would say this is more of like an electric heating pad. So it's something that you can easily plug to light, and it heats up the contents that is in there. Now, how does this work? From what I see here, this is simply a mug that has a heating pad, and when you place the mug with the liquid in it on the heating pad, it heats up the mug. Okay, now once we have this and we are okay with this product as the one we want to sell, the next phase here is to figure out who is going to sell this product at a very cheaper rate for myself. Okay, and I'm going to go back to Gigi, and I'm going to search up for other persons that are selling this particular mug at a cheaper rate. So you can see this one here selling at 7,000 naira. And if we can actually do more search, we can see people that would sell at even lower prices. Okay, so this one is 7,000 naira. So there's a mug, there is a heating pad, and there is a power cable. Okay, so this works, and this is actually perfect for what we want to achieve right here. Now, all you need to do right now is to call on this seller. You can see it says negotiable, and you can negotiate this to 5,000 or 6,000 naira because you are also going to be reselling. All right, and once you have this, you want to start creating campaigns on social media. I'm going to use an example like on Instagram, where you can create an account and you can start selling these products for 10,000 naira. Okay, now what you want to do here is to create more of like a magnetic campaign that would, that is targeted at your audience. Now, I don't want you to target anybody, no. I want you to target creators. I want you to target 9-to-5ers who are very most in need of products like this one. For example, as a 9-to-5er, I have to go to the office every other day. And when I get there in the cold weather, I do not know how to get my kettle in or how to get an electric, kettle, whatever it is. But this is a shortcut to just making a hot cup of coffee for myself during the cold weather. And you can already see how useful this particular product is right now for this set of people. So you want to create a series of video contents around, a 9-to-5er using this particular product during the cold weather, or a creator using this to quickly heat up his tea before taking it in. Right, and you can sell this product as much as 10 to 15,000 naira via Instagram. Shoot up ads, right? Ads are very beautiful, ads are very cool. And once you're able to do this, once you're able to do this, you start getting people who actually buy your product. And with buying your products, you can come back and buy the product from the seller. And once you buy the product from the seller, you can ship it down to the buyer, and you keep your profit. Okay, this is the simple business model around retail arbitrage, and I've created a couple of videos around this. But then, like I said, I'd rather focus on the seasonal products, right, than focus on should I say evergreen products, because e-commerce for me is more of like me focusing on products that are going to sell the highest within a particular period of time, and within the next season focus on the next big product that will sell the highest for me. And this is exactly how you can make the most profit out of your e-commerce business. I'm not saying that focusing on one product is bad, but I'm also saying that you can actually focus on products that will actually be more profitable to you at every given time. If you love this video and you've learned something, let me know in the comment section below. As well as if you have questions, ask me down there and I will answer you. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up right now. And as well, subscribe to my channel, smash on the bell icon so that you do not miss any of my videos. With this, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Peace.